Hi there, media students. I'm here to demonstrate some advanced search tips in EBSCO's Film and Television Literature Index to locate full-text sources for use in your research. Once we've accessed the database from the SJSU King Library homepage, we can begin some specific searching. The database defaults to the advanced search arrangement, which is what we'll be using for this demonstration. In our last video, we conducted a search for the filmmaker Luis Buñuel and the Surrealist artistic movement. Let's expand on that. Perhaps I'm curious about contemporaries that Buñuel was known to have interacted with, perhaps the artist Salvador Dali. I'll enter Buñuel in my first field, Surrealism in my second, and Dali in my third. I'm leaving my search defaulted to keyword. I'll click full text to ensure that my hits will allow me to actually read the article online. Then I'm going to click search. Now that we have some results from querying our terms, let's see about exploring and learning a little bit more about these results. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a column with options to further limit and refine your search. The first option to limit was full text. We've already engaged that. Some more options include checking references available, which will filter for articles that include a list of the references from which the authors gathered their information, and peer-reviewed, which will limit your articles to those that have been vetted for quality by other researchers in the subject's field. It's likely you'll be using this limiter a lot in your research. One can also filter by publication date. This can be handy if you're looking for articles that were contemporary to the events and subjects they describe. Say an interview with a subject published near to the time that the interview was conducted. It's also handy if you're looking for newer insights on your subjects. Say limiting your articles to the past 10 or so years. Let's try another search to see how else we might limit your results. This time, let's just search for Dali. You can limit your results by source, such as magazines, academic journals, trade publications, to subject, the key concepts involved in your subject. Sometimes you'll be able to limit to a specific publication, such as Variety or Sight and Sound. Publisher, and in addition, you can filter by the language of the publication that you want. Once you have a number of results, you might want to sort them by different criteria. By how old or new they are, by the source, by the author, by the relevance. Clicking on the article's title brings you a variety of options. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a Tools column with options to print, email, find citations for the article in a variety of formats, export the citation to an outside citation manager such as RefWorks or EndNote, create notes to attach to the record, permalink for the account, and a variety of sharing options. Near the top of the screen, beside the option to toggle between basic search and advanced search, you'll find a link to view your search history. This is handy if you'd like to replicate a previous search's results, if the criteria are a little foggy. Hopefully this perusal of the advanced features of the Film and Television Literature Index have been helpful and have given you some options to consider when narrowing down your search for materials. Best of luck!